Five little ducks went out one day, splashing and swimming along the way. Over the hills and far away, they laughed and played the whole long day. Mother duck said, quack, 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 come back home along the track. Quack, 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 come back home along the track.
Four little ducks came waddling back with happy feet upon the path. Four little ducks went out to play, dancing in the sunshine's ray. They chased the butterflies in the sky, watching fluffy clouds float by.
Mother duck said, quack, 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 three little ducks came waddling back. Quack, 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 three little ducks came waddling back. Three little ducks went out once more, swimming gently near the shore. They found some fish and wading reeds, floating softly with the breeze. Mother duck said, quack, 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 two little ducks came waddling back. Quack, 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 two little ducks came waddling back.
Two little ducks went out to play, skipping through the pond all day. They made tiny ripples, bright and blue, smiling as the flowers grew.
Mother duck said, quack, 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 one little duck came waddling back. Quack, 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 one little duck came waddling back.
One little duck went out alone, looking for a shiny stone. It heard Mother's loving call and hurried home with one and all.
Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. All five little ducks came waddling back. Together they danced beneath the sun, happy that the day was done. With lots of hugs and joyful cheer, they knew that love is always near.